In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can fix voice chat not working here in Rocket League quick and easy. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel. It lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, if your voice chat isn't working in Rocket League on PC, what you need to do is first go into Rocket League and go specifically to settings, and then navigate over to the chat tab all the way up at the very top and just make sure enable voice chat is turned on. You can specifically view your voice chat settings in here as well, and just make sure that all of these either match these settings or match the settings that you prefer. But while you're in here, I would recommend checking your input device specifically and making sure it's set to your correct input device, and then your output device and making sure that's set to your correct output device as well. If push to talk is enabled as well, you need to go ahead and make sure that the bind is set to something that you actually, know. Because if you're hitting the wrong button, it's not going to work. So just keep that in mind. But once you go ahead and change that, go ahead and navigate over to the audio tab and make sure that your voice chat volume is turned up as well. As long as you have those set, you should be fine and you should be good to go. In Rocket League itself, you can check your PC settings as well, but usually just adjusting those Rocket League settings, and then if you're still having issues restarting your game, will fix any issues with voice chat that you might be having. If you are having any other issues though, let me know down in the comment section below and I can be more specific and help you out. Before we do leave this guide though, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really just helps out. Let's know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.